Greetings from Behold Cognition. On today's segment, we'll discuss ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. We'll also be discussing some of its fragmented origins. Are you into ASMR? Comment below and let us know what you think. Now let's get started. The origins of ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, are somewhat murky and difficult to trace. This is due in part to the fact that the phenomenon itself is still not widely understood, and there is no single agreed-upon definition or explanation for it. Some experts believe that ASMR may have its roots in evolutionary biology. They suggest that the sensation may be a vestigial remnant of a once necessary sensory response to grooming, which was once a frequent and important source of social bonding among primates. Others believe that it is a purely psychological phenomenon, resulting from a combination of suggestibility, sensory processing, and relaxation. They suggest that ASMR is a kind of neural reward system triggered by a range of stimuli, including visual, auditory, and tactile. One of the earliest instances of ASMR being described in popular culture can be traced back to the late 19th century, when artists and writers began creating works that were intended to evoke feelings of relaxation and well-being in their audience. These works often included depictions of peaceful natural scenes, soothing music, and other calming stimuli. In the 1960s and 70s, various forms of meditation and relaxation practices became increasingly popular, and many people began to seek out new ways to achieve a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. In this context, some began to experiment with various forms of sensory stimulation in order to achieve this desired state of consciousness. It wasn't until the advent of the internet, however, that ASMR began to gain a wider audience and a more formal recognition. Beginning in the early 2000s, people began sharing videos of themselves performing various ASMR-inducing activities, such as whispering, tapping, and brushing, and they quickly developed a dedicated following. Today, ASMR has become a popular form of entertainment, with countless videos and channels devoted to exploring the many different ways in which the sensation can be explored and experienced. Some even argue that ASMR has therapeutic benefits, helping people to relieve stress, anxiety, and other mental and physical health concerns. In conclusion, the origins of ASMR are complex and multifaceted, with roots in both biology and psychology. The phenomenon has a long history in popular culture and creative expression, and has more recently developed into a popular form of entertainment and therapeutic practice. As research into the phenomenon continues, it is likely that we will continue to learn more about the many fascinating aspects of this intriguing sensory response. Was today's video informative to you? Comment below and let us know what you think, and don't forget to leave a positive comment for the next person and hit the subscribe button while you're at it. Thank you for your support. We wish you peace, love, and prosperity.